All right, we are down here in the parking garage at the SpringHill Suites by Marriott in downtown Bloomington. Here we have an elevator. It's a KONE EcoDisc. Looks like it's key carded. Oh, it's open. Here we are at 5. Actually, the funny thing is, look at this. This one serves the garage, but this one doesn't. So let's go down to the parking garage. We'll take one more ride on this, and then we'll probably take the other elevator down. Pretty decent cab. Looks like this is the service elevator. It's got a 3,500 pound capacity, 2 panels, KSS 500 fixtures, key card reader which is deactivated, and a hand sanitizer dispenser. I like how it says P2 and not parking. That door is kind of slow. Oh. Yeah, it is open. That's kind of weird. All right, here we are up at 5. Want to see if we can catch the other elevator. Hey. Pretty nice. And a noisy ice machine. See, look at this. This one serves the garage, but apparently this one does not. It's quite odd. I think it's coming. Yeah, that's just a bit awkward. Oh, here it is. Yeah, look. This thing literally does not serve the garage. What a stupid layout. The layout of these elevators is just really stupid. And this one only holds 2,500 pounds. Yeah, this is a really stupid layout. And the elevators are like right in front of the front desk, so I'm gonna stop the vid. Anyways, that's it.